In this session, we are going to discuss more about our planet Earth, atmosphere, mountains and volcanoes. So, let's begin. Earth, our home, is the third planet from the Sun and fifth largest planet in the solar system. Earth was formed approximately 4.54 billion years ago. Earth is a tiny part of this big universe, but it is the home of human being and all known life. And Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. The mass of the planet Earth is 5.97 into 10 raised to 24 kilogram, and most of the mass is accounted by iron and oxygen, and others include magnesium, silicon, aluminium, calcium and nickel. Earth's circumference distance around the equator is 40,000 kilometers and Earth has a diameter roughly 13,000 kilometers. Spin of our home planet Earth causes to be scorched at its poles and swollen at its equator makes the shape of our Earth approximates an oblate spheroid. So, the shape of our Earth is an oblate spheroid due to the spin of our planet, and also the equatorial diameter of the Earth is greater than that of the polar diameter. Then, interior of the Earth. The interior of the Earth is divided into three layers. They are crust, mantle and core. Crust is the outer layer of the Earth and it is a thin shell accounting 1% of Earth's volume, and it is a 0 to 60 kilometer thick layer, and the crust is divided into continental crust and oceanic crust. While continental crust carries the land and oceanic crust carries the water, continental crust is granitic in composition while oceanic crust is basaltic in composition. Continental crust is thicker than that of the oceanic crust and oceanic crust is denser than that of the continental crust. And there is a discontinuity found between the continental crust and oceanic crust that is known as Conrad discontinuity. The next layer is mantle. Mantle is the widest section of the Earth. It has a thickness approximately 2,900 km. The mantle is made up of semi-molten rock called magma. The upper part of the mantle is made up of hard rock, while down the rock is soft and beginning to melt. And there is a transition zone found between the crust and mantle is known as Mohorovicic discontinuity or Moho discontinuity. Then the innermost layer of the Earth is core, and core is separated from mantle by Gutenberg discontinuity. Core is again divided into inner core and outer core. Inner core is in the center and it is the hottest part of the Earth, and it is solid and made up of iron and nickel with temperatures of up to 5500 degrees Celsius. Outer core is the layer surrounding the inner core, and it is a liquid layer and also made up of iron and nickel. The temperature is similar to the inner core. And there is also a discontinuity found between solid inner core and liquid outer core that is known as Lehman discontinuity.